Today, the learning goal is I can calculate percent of increase and decrease. What does percent of increase or decrease mean? The percent that an item increased or decreased over time. What is the formula to find percent of increase or decrease? We do difference over original equals x over 100. X is our percent that we're finding. And don't forget that difference means to subtract. Now let's look at the first two examples. The first example shows computers. The price was $950 and it's now $500. So we can see that the price decreased. To figure out the percent that it decreased, we will follow the formula. Step 1. Subtract the two prices, $950 minus $500, and write that over the original price. The original price was the was price. Sometimes they'll say before. So when you do $950 minus $500, you get $450 over $950. And we set that equal to x over 100. That's the proportion now that we're going to solve. When we solve this proportion, we end up with 47.4%. Now we notice that the price of the computers went down, so we circle at the bottom that it is a percent of decrease. Next, look at the soda bottle. It was $1, and the price is now $2.50. So again, let's begin by subtracting the two prices and putting it over the original amount, which is the was price. I subtracted the two prices for the soda bottle, $2.50 minus $1, and got $1.50. And I wrote that over $1. So our proportion now that we need to solve is this proportion right here. Cross multiply and divide. Notice you get 150%. And when you go back and look, the soda bottle, the price of the soda increased. So at the bottom down here, we'll circle that it's a percent of increase. Now you're going to try the problems on the Your Turn page, and we will go over those in class tomorrow.